Hello everyone, I am CorporateNapps and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to dip in here really quickly today to give you guys an update. I realized that when I restarted my channel, I did not give you guys a video overview of what my channel would be about. If you look in the About section of my channel, you will see that the plan is for the channel to be about natural hair, specifically microlocs, careers, health, inner growth, all the things that make us up, all the things that make us who we are and what we do. I wanted to confirm with you that those videos that are non-hair related will start to come through here soon. I wanted to make those of you who have come along and subscribed based on the Microlocs videos, I wanted to give you a heads up so that you're aware that those videos will be coming through, but the Microlocs videos will continue. I will not stop on the Microlocs videos. I think at this point I'm doing Microlocs videos about once a week. That will continue, but I didn't want you to get those notifications about new videos that were non-hair related and assume that I was going in a completely different direction. That is not the case. Microlocs will continue and other videos will be added or other content will be added. Of course, my hope is that you will come along and join me with the other videos and actually find those of value as well. And if not, being able to pass those along to people in your lives, people who you may know, who may actually find them of use. For those of you who are new to my channel, you of course as well would be able to enjoy the Microlocs video as well as the videos that are related to different content. So this is just an FYI so that you're not blindsided and you know that Microlocs videos will continue and new content will be added. That's it. I hope that you guys are doing well. I hope that everyone is staying safe and take care.